Hello everyone. Welcome back to today's shadowing practice. Our topic is a peaceful world. We are going to talk about peace, kindness, and the dream of living together in harmony. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly, so you can listen carefully and repeat after me. Remember, shadowing means you try to speak at the same time as I speak. Don't worry if you cannot keep up at first. Just relax, listen, and try your best. Are you ready? Let's begin. Part 1. What is peace? Peace is more than the absence of war. Peace is the presence of love, respect, and understanding. Peace means children can go to school safely. Peace means families can live without fear. Peace means neighbors trust and support one another. Imagine walking down the street and smiling at strangers. Imagine people helping each other, no matter who they are. That is peace. Part 2. Why do we need peace? Our world is full of challenges. There are conflicts, divisions, and misunderstandings. When people fight, everyone loses. With peace, nations can grow. With peace, science can advance. With peace, children can dream big dreams. Peace allows us to use our energy for building, not destroying. Peace gives us hope for a better future. Part 3. Peace in daily life. Peace does not only happen between countries. Peace also begins in our daily lives. When we listen carefully to others, we create peace. When we forgive, we create peace. When we share what we have, we create peace. Even small actions can bring harmony. Holding the door for someone is peace. Helping a friend with homework is peace. Speaking kindly instead of shouting is peace. Smiling instead of judging is peace. Part 4. The role of respect. Respect is the foundation of peace. When we respect others, we see their value. We accept differences in culture, language, and religion. We learn that diversity makes the world beautiful. Respect means we listen, even when we disagree. Respect means we do not harm, even when we are stronger. Respect means every voice matters. If everyone respected one another, peace would be natural. Part 5. The dream of a peaceful world. Close your eyes and imagine a peaceful world. There are no bombs, no fighting, no fear. Instead, there is music, laughter, and joy. Children are playing in parks without worry. People are planting trees and caring for nature. Communities are sharing meals and stories together. Countries are working as partners, not enemies. This dream may sound big, but every dream begins with small steps. A peaceful world is possible if we all believe in it. Part 6. How can we create peace? Peace begins with you and me. We can practice peace in 3 simple ways. First, by speaking kindly. Words have power. They can hurt or they can heal. Second, by helping others. When we help, we build trust. Third, by forgiving. Forgiveness frees the heart and makes room for love. If each of us does these things, the world will slowly change. Part 7. Famous words about peace. Many great leaders have spoken about peace. Mahatma Gandhi said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world." Mother Teresa said, "Peace begins with a smile." Martin Luther King Jr. said, "Darkness cannot drive out darkness, only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that." These words remind us that peace is not far away. Peace begins inside us. Part 8. Inner Peace. Before we can create world peace, we must find inner peace. Inner peace means being calm inside, even when life is difficult. It means controlling anger, stress, and fear. We can find inner peace through meditation. We can find inner peace through breathing. We can find inner peace by being grateful for what we have. When our hearts are peaceful, our actions become peaceful. When our actions are peaceful, the world becomes peaceful. Part 9. The Future of Peace. The future is in our hands. The next generation depends on us. If we choose peace, our children will inherit hope. If we choose violence, they will inherit fear. Every day is a choice. Every word, every action, every thought matters. Let us choose peace today. Let us teach peace to our children. Let us protect peace for tomorrow. Part 10. Conclusion. A call for peace. Peace is not just a dream. Peace is a decision. It begins with me. It begins with you. It begins with us. A peaceful world is not impossible. It is waiting for our love, our respect, and our courage. So today, let's speak peacefully. Let's act peacefully. Let's live peacefully. Together, we can create a world of harmony. Thank you for joining me today. Practice shadowing this lesson many times. Each time you repeat, your English will improve and your heart will grow more peaceful. See you in the next lesson.